How to add bullet points in Canva on Android browser. This tutorial shows you how to format a list within a text box. First, open your browser and go to canva.com on your Android device. From there, open the design you want to add bullet points to. After that, tap on the text box you want to edit or add a new one from the text panel. At this point, tap into that text box to bring up your keyboard. Following this, tap the formatting or text style icon that appears above the keyboard. From here, look for a bullet list icon among the formatting options. At this stage, tap on it. Once tapped, a bullet point appears, and typing your text will automatically format it as a list item. Following this, press Enter to move to the next line, and a new bullet will appear automatically for each new point. From here, tap the bullet icon again once you're done if you want to turn off the formatting for any additional text. That's how you add bullet points in Canva on Android browser. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!